Hello students, my name is Sanket and welcome back to my world of mathematics in Sanket Sir's Maths Academy. After the first three videos on Introduction to Trigonometry, this is the fourth video. This topic is Trigonometric Identities. Trigonometric Identities. Let us consider a right angle triangle ABC such that angle B is 90 and the acute angle C we consider as theta. Then for angle theta, the opposite side will be AB, adjacent side will be BC and AC is the hypotenuse. Then we define sine theta and cos theta for this acute angle. Sine theta opposite upon hypotenuse, that would be AB upon AC. Similarly, cos theta adjacent upon hypotenuse, that would be BC upon AC. Now that we have defined sine theta and cos theta for the acute angle theta, also in the right angle triangle ABC, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. And what will that give us? That will give us AB square plus BC square is equal to hypotenuse square, that is here AC square. Now hypotenuse square, that is AC square, if I shift from right side to the left, but not by subtracting, what I would do is I would divide the entire equation by AC square. So I will have AB square upon AC square, BC square upon AC square, AC square upon AC square. AC square upon AC square will give me 1. Let's write that down. So I have AB square upon AC square plus BC square upon AC square, and on the right side also I divide AC square by AC square. Now right side AC square upon AC square will be equal to 1. This right side will turn out equal to 1. But what about the left side? AB square upon AC square is AB upon AC square. AB upon AC was sine theta. So AB square upon AC square will be sine square theta. Similarly, BC square upon AC square is BC upon AC the whole square. BC upon AC is cos theta. So BC square upon AC square will be cos square theta. We get the first fraction becomes sine square theta. The second fraction or the term becomes cos square theta, and right side AC square upon AC square will be equal to 1. That will be my first trigonometric identity. The first identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. If I divide this first identity, all terms of this identity by cos square theta, what do I get? I get sine square theta upon cos square theta plus cos square theta upon cos square theta is equal to, on the right side, 1 upon cos square theta. Now students, if you observe, what is sine square upon cos square? We know from trigonometric relations, sine upon cos is tan, then sine square upon cos square will be tan square. So for sine square upon cos square I can write as tan square theta plus cos square upon cos square, it's going to get cancelled. I will have 1, and then for 1 upon cos square, what is 1 upon cos? From trigonometric relations we know that 1 upon cos is sec theta. So 1 upon cos square will be sec square theta. I will write 1 upon cos square theta as sec square theta. This is my second trigonometric identity. Now dividing this first identity, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. If I divide all terms now by sine square theta, what will I get? I will have sine square upon sine square, cos square theta also divided by sine square theta. and 1 on the right side upon sine square theta. Now students, sine square upon sine square, we know it's going to get cancelled. It will become 1. But cos square upon sine square, what is cos upon sine? Cos upon sine was cot. So cos square upon sine square will be cot square. So we write, for the first two terms, we can write sine square upon sine square, that's 1, plus cos square theta upon sine square theta gives us cot square theta. And on the right side, I have 1 upon sine square. What was 1 upon sine? 1 upon sine was cosec. So 1 upon sine square theta will be cosec square theta. So therefore, on the right side, I can write 1 upon sine square theta as cosec square theta, which will be my third identity. After learning the three different trigonometric identities, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta, we will be learning these three identities, each of them in three different ways, in three different forms, so that it is easy to recollect them while solving questions based on trigonometric identities. So let us write down. Consider sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Take sine square theta on the right side. I will have cos square theta is equal to sine square goes on the right side and becomes minus. So 1 minus sine square theta. Similarly, from the identity sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, if I shift cos square theta on the right side, I will be left with sine square theta on the left side, and cos square theta becomes negative on the right side. I will have 1 minus cos square theta. These are the three different ways of writing the first trigonometric identity. Similarly, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Let's take 1 on the right side. I will have tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 will become negative on the right side, so sec square theta minus 1. Now from 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, let's shift tan square theta from left side to right side. I will be getting 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. Similarly, we can also write the third identity 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta in three different ways. That will be, second way will be cot square theta will become equal to cosec square theta minus 1. I have shifted 1 on the right side. Now instead of 1, if I shift cot square theta on the right side, what will I get? I will have 1 is equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Students, although there are just 3 trigonometric identities, you have to remember them in these 9 different ways so that solving questions based on trigonometric identities becomes extremely easy.